It seems like some owners of the iPhone X have encountered issues with Face ID shortly after updating to latest update iOS 16. Many said that they could no longer unlock their devices using such security feature. This has to be fixed immediately, especially if you rely so much on such feature. In this video, we will be showing you what to do if Face ID does not work on your iPhone X. First solution, force restart your iPhone. The first thing you have to do is to force restart. This will refresh your iPhone's memory and reload all its services. Most of the time, this procedure is enough to fix Face ID is not working properly. Here's how it's done. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then quickly press and release the volume down. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Your iPhone will continue the usual boot process, so wait until the reboot is done. Once your device has finished restarting, try to use if you can now unlock iPhone with Face ID. Second solution, reset all settings on your iPhone. Since the problem has occurred after the iOS 16 update, the next thing you have to do if the first solution failed is to reset all the settings. This will bring iPhone back to its factory settings without deleting your files and data. It's safe and pretty effective. Here's how it's done. Tap Settings from your home screen. Find and tap General. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Choose Reset all settings from the given options. Enter your passcode when asked to proceed. Tap the option to confirm all settings reset, and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to unlock your device using Face ID. If the problem remains, move on to the next solution. Third solution, factory reset your iPhone. At this point, if the problem still occurs, you have no other choice but to reset your device. A reset will fix any app-related issues, including this one. However, make sure you make a copy of your important files prior to the reset. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Reset. Select the option to erase all content and settings. Tap Erase Now. If prompted, enter your passcode to proceed. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap the option Erase iPhone again to confirm full system reset or factory reset. After the reset, set up your iPhone again as new device. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.